What's up, baddies? Welcome back to my channel. My name is JaiDoesIt if you're new here, and today we're going to be doing a January IPSY unboxing. So if you guys would like to see what we received this month, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss my next video. Okay, period. As always, I have not opened this box, so we're gonna see what's in it together. So the theme for this month is the year of you. It says, forget reinvention, throw resolutions out the door. Never mind starting over this year, just focus on doing you and discovering whatever makes you happy. Perfecting your skincare routine, experimenting with nail art, finding time to read, or reconnecting with friends. Period. So first we're gonna start off with the regular glam bag. This is what it looks like. It's very fuzzy with green trimming and like a pink zipper. I'll put a better clip in the corner for you guys to see, but it's really cute. Looks like it'll get dirty fast, but besides that, I love it. So the regular glam bag, you get 5 travel size products. Sometimes they'll throw in a full size product for $13 a month. So the first product we received in this glam bag was the I got something from this. Ooh, it's a nice eyeliner from this brand before. I think, and I still don't know how to say it, but I think it's called Rebelde. And I have their eyeliner, and this is it. This is their Rebel Eye Definer Pencil in the shade. Is it Rebelde? Is it Rebelde? I think so, but it's super black. The second thing we received in this glam bag is an eyeshadow brush from the brand Half Cake. And this is a crease brush, the 816. It's really pretty, a really pink, like a light pink brush. It's really soft. I love adding brushes to my kit, so that is a plus. Third thing we received is from the brand Dew of Gods, and this is the Feels Mini, which is a dry erase facial scrub. Okay, so that's good. And this is a travel size, so probably can get about 2 uses out of that. The next thing we have is from Nars, and this is their Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in the shade Dolce Vita. I won't be able to use this, but it's like a little rusty, brickish color. What is it, a lip liner? Lip pencil. I mean, I guess I could use it as a lipstick, but I wouldn't be able to use it as a lip liner. But it's pretty chunky for it to be a travel size. And then the last thing we received, I received something from this company before, and it was an eyeshadow quad like this. And this is from Oryza Beauty, and this is the Nebula Shimmer eyeshadow. Okay, let's see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Never mind, I'll put a better picture for it somewhere for you guys, but that's what it looks like. It's really cute. I feel like I have these colors already, but it's cute for a beginner. So next is the Glam Bag Plus, and this is what she looks like. It's really pretty, real lavender. It's lavender with flowers all over it in green drawstrings, cloth material. Really pretty. And so the Glam Bag Plus, you get 5 full-size products for $28 a month. So the first product that we received is this Milk Makeup Rise Mascara, which is so crazy. I used the travel mascara for my bottom lashes today. So this is the full-size product, and this retails for $28. So right now, just this mascara paid off your Glam Bag Plus, just off of this one product alone. So this is a really good mascara. I like how the brushes are really not fine, but they're like sharp and close together. Oh, this feels completely different from the travel size. I like this. Yes, and the brush is kind of curved to fit the contour of your eyes, and it just gets those lashes just popping. So the second thing we received is from the brand Hey Honey, and this is the Sweet Treat, which is the wild berry and honey yogurt recovery mask. It says it restores the appearance of dull skin impacted by environmental factors. This looks cool. And this face mask, actually, oh my god, this is, it's not small, but it's not huge for a face mask. But this sized face mask retails for $48. You know it's good. Well, you don't know it's good, but they wouldn't price a face mask at $48 that does nothing, right? So I can't wait to try this out. So that's the second thing we received. So that's 28 plus 48, which equals 76. So the third thing that we received is from Shayna B Miami, and this is her lip gloss in the shade Besitos. Oh, this is really pretty. It's like pink with some sparkly in it. Actually, I'm gonna put this on. No, I'm gonna ruin the brush. My lip liner is gonna stain the brush, but this is a really pretty color. I really want to put it on. It reminds me of like the MAC lip glosses like Nymphet, you know, the see-through. I like that a lot. That's really pretty. So it gives the lips like a juicier illusion. So that is the third thing received, and this lip gloss retails for $18. So that's 76 plus 18. So far we're at 94 with just these three products. The fourth thing that I have is from the company Fleur and B, and this is the Nectar of C Vitamin C Serum. But this Vitamin C serum retails for $46. Sounds like it's pretty effective, huh? So this is what it looks like. It's in a brown jar. You know that vitamin C is best in a darker jar in a dark and cool place so that it won't turn rancid or go rancid. I can't wait to try that out. This retails for $46, which makes our total so far at $140. And last but not least, we have this Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. I'm guessing it's a moisturizer from Tarte, and this is from their C collection. This is the Drink of H2O. It's full size, really big. So this retails for $29. It's like a gel. It smells really good. It smells like another, like that, their facial cleanser in the purple, the rice cleanser. That's what it smells like. But it's just a gel moisturizer. Can't wait to use that, especially in the summertime. The grand total for the Glam Bag Plus is $169, and you only paid $28 for it. My favorite products from the Glam Bag Plus would have to be this Tarte moisturizer and this vitamin C serum that I received. I can't wait to try these out. But I did like that mask too. Wow, these two, yes, these two. So these are my top two favorites. Let me know if you guys received a glam bag and what you guys liked out of yours in the comment section so we can chat about that. So I will put links to everything that I talked about in this video down in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. And until next time, baddies, bye. So baddies, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys thought about it down below, and if you guys received any IPSY boxes, let me know what you guys received in yours. That we received the same thing, different things, talk to me, okay? And until next time, baddies, bye.
See money all around me, I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down like last week.